Model, 68 Plate Vauxhall Vivaro 1.6 Cdti factory crew cab needs engine repair no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 156755. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6125 PS BITURBO S, SC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Engine shaking, suspect low compression and engine will have to be repaired. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, start-stop, tailift in working order. Euro status, Ulez compliant. HPI, Cat N in 2023. Cap retail, £5,850 plus VAT. Contact us, 015